Classic Lincoln Loud.
That wasn't me. It was Lincoln Loud. He ped.
No, classic Lincoln Loud. That wasn't Lincoln Loud. It was you. And stop farting at the dinner table. Because it's rude and it's not funny, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
I agree with your father. So stop laughing about it. Because it's not funny. It's rude, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Mom and Dad, I'm always being polite at the dinner table.
I know. You are, sweetie.
We're so glad. You're always being polite. Our sweet princess.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Classic Lincoln Loud. Say excuse me when you burp at the dinner table. Classic Lincoln Loud. Stop it right now. It's not funny. So say excuse me right now, and I mean it.
Excuse Lincoln Loud.
Hey, classic Lincoln Loud. Stop it. Mom didn't ask to say excuse me. She asked you to say excuse yourself.
Yeah, classic Lincoln Loud. I told you to say excuse me. Not excuse Lincoln Loud.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Classic Lincoln Loud, will you please mind your manners?
Yes, classic Lincoln Loud. When you start burping at the dinner table, say excuse me, mind your manners. You know what, classic Lincoln Loud. That's it. I can't take it anymore. Go to your room right now.
Okay. You stupid, ugly, weird mom and dad.
Did classic Lincoln Loud just say a bad word?
Yes, classic Lincoln Loud. I think he did say a bad word.
Classic Lincoln Loud. How could you use that kind of language? You are 12 years old and you should never say any of these words at all because it's a bad word.
And that kind of language is inappropriate to use at your age. Now go to your room right now, and we mean it.
What?